I have some questions from you guys. I have no idea what they are. I feel like I'm picking right at from a fortune cookie. Should I be scared? Can I plead the fifth on these? No? Okay. What is Joe's signature dish? There is one thing that Joe does in this home that's signature, and that's pancakes in the morning. I'm not crazy about them. I think they're too thin, but my kids think it's like God created the pancake because, you know, Daddy did it. Whatever. What's your most used ingredient in the kitchen? Sodium. I'm gonna have to go with salt. Without salt, I would be nothing, and so would my food. Next question. What's the best hostess gift a guest can bring? Wine is always like, genius. If you had to move cities and join another housewife cast, which one would you choose? I mean, is this like a trick question? New Jersey or Beverly Hills? Simple answer. Kyle, I'm coming for you. Last one. What's your hostess tagline? Oh, this is cute. This is cute. Okay, what's my hostess tagline? You think you've been to a party, but you've never been to mine. How's that for a tagline?